Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It's actually early evening. I'm getting this out late. I do apologize. Um, well, after yesterday, anything would probably be a good day by comparison. We didn't have a bad day. We actually made money both in our exits and our um, open trade, but nothing too spectacular. You can see here with the Dow what happened. We had a favorable jobs report this morning come out right before the open. The Dow popped up pretty nicely, um, got above 30,000 again here, then slacked off. I thought maybe it was going down. Then it came out, actually got up to about 30,100, and then the last 30 minutes it has this crazy sell-off. I again, as I told you yesterday, I think we're going to have to deal with this psychological number of 30,000 for a while, with traders coming in and selling it. It's just a number. It's not really very significant, but they're going to sell in this area. Uh, and then when it gets above this significantly, the 30,000 is going to become a floor. But we'll deal with this probably no more than a few more days. Anyway, we had about $700 in positive open trade yesterday on the close. We closed that out with $5,000 positive. So we picked up some there, probably because of this pop up here. That assisted us in our exits. We got into 9 new positions, 4 positive, 5 negative, but we're holding $5,700 in positive open trade going into tomorrow. So, that looks pretty good. Officially, by the way, the Dow finished up 78 points, but it was up quite a bit higher for much of the day, but had this pull off. We actually made a low in the Dow on this last 30 minutes. I have no idea what was going on. I think it's psychological, though. I don't think there's any real reason for it. I'll show you 3 of our stocks. This first one, I showed you this yesterday. This is CPE, that's Callon Petroleum Company, and we had bought this yesterday. First hour, it had gotten up to, I think, $9,000 or something up here. Pulled back. It did pop up a little, not very much, but we got out of there with $4,500 in Callon Petroleum Company. And then we got into another pretty good one here in Riot Blockchain. This stock is starting to perform for us. No big moves yet, no really big moves, but I think I've mentioned this. I think 4 years ago, I made half the money for the year in this stock. I mean, it just had some wild, crazy moves. And but here, this isn't wild and crazy. We got halfway through the day, we bought it, and it did pull back some there. But even with the pullback, we're up $2,500 in Riot Blockchain. And then our best trade for the day was KIRK, that's Kirkland's Incorporated, and we bought this right at the beginning of the day here, and it moved up very nicely. Some pullback there, but even with the pullback, we're up $5,000 in open trade in Kirkland's Incorporated. So on balance, a reasonable reasonably good day, controlled markets, none of that horrible crap we had yesterday, but we certainly didn't make up for those losses yesterday, at least not yet. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. On Freaky Friday, I'll be here. Trader Bob signing off.